Oh, what is your name? Mr. Pokey.
My liefie, wat maak jy? Midu, ek sien daai chips. Jerome, ons is op 'n dieet.
Protein shake. Oh, go away. It makes you fat. Yeah, really. Chocolate flavor.
Jerome, you are still fat, but you're still eating the chips.
This is not a protein shake. How dare they? Okay, you know what? I can't. I'm gonna go for a walk, okay? To take my mind off of everything.
Be strong, my love.
I'll see you later, my skat. Hey! Hey, you! Yes, you! Can I ask you a favor? Alright. My wife has me on a diet. Can I borrow some of your chips? You must know my wife.